Over 8 years ago, we began our journey integrating conservation into the dairy supply chain. Today, we've been very successful in replicating that model in poultry. We've worked with up to 12 companies and partners across the watershed in Pennsylvania and Maryland to help influence the supply chain and are actually having ripple effects throughout the nation. By working with companies like Purdue, we're able to access their entire network of farmers. That way, we're able to make their supply chain as sustainable as possible and direct money and resources to exactly where they're needed. This way, too, we're also influencing the industry, and other corporations are looking at us to replicate that model within their own supply chains.
We are located here in Peach Bottom, Pennsylvania. I've farmed here for 35 years, and in 2015 we started raising chickens for Purdue. It means a lot to me. We believe good stewardship of the ground for the future generations. We did a lot of spouting on the barns here. We built a litter shed and planted quite a few trees here, and really helps with the runoff, air filtration, to keep the streams here on the property clean.
It's important for everyone to have a seat at the table when we're doing work like this, because the environment, the things that need to change in our environment to be sustainable, takes more than one entity, one company, one group. It really is it takes a village type scenario. So the more that we can work together to find ways to improve the environment, that's what makes opportunities like this so special.